So next one, 8.19, page number 293 page. Describe the method which can be used to separate two compounds with different solubilities in a solvent S. So, for example, for this purpose, for two solids can be separated with, answer is fractional crystallization. Fractional crystallization. So, another rule is less soluble compound is crystallizes first. So, less soluble compound is crystallizes first. For example, in a beaker, it is the solvent S. It is the solvent S. Then A, B chemicals are dissolved, A and B. So, in this compound, A, B solids are dissolved in this solvent S. Here, the condition is, for example, A solubility is 100 grams per liter, for example. So, B solubility is 50 grams per liter. Then, two compounds are soluble in solvent S. So, then first heated and when then cool, first crystallization is less soluble. B is soluble. That is very, very important. So, among A and B, first crystallization compound is dash. First crystallization compound is B. So, first crystallization is B. Second time crystallization is A. So, it is very, very important. It is the fractional crystallization is used. Less soluble compound is crystallization first. So, here A 100 grams per liter, B 50 grams per liter, for example. Then when we heat and cool, first crystallization is B, not A. Not A, first crystallization B. So, first crystallization B, second crystallization is A. So, that is the answer. Thank you.